Okay, a round of applause for Bitcoin Witsand as they make their way to the stage. I'm going to sit down.
Getting the presentation. Technologia. How awesome is it to see things happening in Ghana that are similar to what's happening in like Middle East, North, Mozambique, and then also Ponta. I didn't know Ponta was doing something as well. So Mozambique, South, Middle, and North is covered. It's coming. It's amazing. Then you go just inside. We got Malawi, Zambia, right? Zim. There's a lot going on.
But when you
in
see
that
it,
area.
it's like, oh, it's almost like, you know, when you're cousins and you go to your cousin's house and you're like, it's kind of like mine, but it's not like mine. It's awesome, but it's not like my one, you know? And that's the great thing that we're doing here. When you're looking at these Bitcoin circular economies, they are not copycats of each other. Yes, they do use certain things the same, you know, but at the same time, there's so many things that you're not doing that is exactly the same. And I think that it's very important to understand how, even though you're individual circular economies, you are able to collaborate because of the touch points that you have together. So while we wait for the next speaker to come up, I just want to say, if anything you take away from this conference that I would like you to take away from the summit is collaborate with each other. You're stronger together than apart. And okay, we're ready to go. What would I do? You should do a podcast. Who? Him? This guy's too busy.
Thanks, Ellie. Round of applause for Ellie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have actually spoken quite a bit about Bitcoin Witsand today, so I don't want to waste your time. But I think the fun thing of Witsand is it's just, it's in real life, it's something to point to. So this comes from actually the whole Bitcoin churches. What is a Bitcoin circular economy? Is it a church? Is it not? So I'm living in Witsand. I'm believing in it. Yes. So in terms of mental models for success, I just want to say that you might have good intentions and then a little bit of rejection and a little bit of success, and then a big rejection and then a little bit of success, and it just keeps on going in that circle. So you just have to keep on going. I think it gets easier over time because as more people buy into the idea, there is a social contract, social understanding that it's okay and that it's normal. So like onboarding the first people is actually very hard, but once you have enough people, there's a tipping point where when a new business comes into Witsand at the moment, they almost automatically accept Bitcoin because it's just the way things are done. So it gets easier. Ooh, thanks, slide. Okay, so just a little bit about Witsand. It's really pretty. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's just like gorgeousness, and then the wind blows you away. It's like literally like terrible. There's also quite a lot of fishing. There's river fishing. There's deep sea fishing. It's a very rural town. There's like a pumpkin fest quite close in the neighboring town, and there's kite surfing, fantastic kite surfing when this said wind blows. So it's a very nice tourist destination. If any of you want to come and visit, you are more than welcome. Please do. So Bitcoin Witsand's mission was just education and awareness, and we did most of this through parties. Yeah, I think Edwin just realized that people prefer drinking beer above speaking about inflation. And so it started becoming a thing. And it creates, there's a little bit of marketing theory behind it. It creates positive association. Suddenly there's a need to have Bitcoin. So the one party we had, the entrance fee was 2,500 sats. So it's a very small amount. I mean, it's, I think, like 40 Rand or something. But suddenly people needed Bitcoin in their wallet to be able to come. And I had, the plumber was phoning me like, hey, you know, I know you said you needed something. Can I maybe come around to your house? Because now suddenly he's looking for a payment in Bitcoin. And that's a nice thing to see. Yes. It's really, it was strangely effective. just creating a reason. Like you save money because you spend in Bitcoin, but it has to be Bitcoin. And then our town attracted a lot of attention. Now, most people that come to Witsand because it's quiet and it's small, and they don't want attention. And then we were everywhere on the news, and half the town loves it and half the town despises it. So like they're not happy. They want to know why we're changing the name of Witsand to Bitcoin Witsand. I legit had to try and answer these questions to people.
We explained that we're changing Bitcoin to Bitcoin Witsand, not
Yeah, and then in terms of rejection and things like that, I actually got fired off being the chair lady of the Witsand Ratepayers Association because I'm too interested in Bitcoin. So this is a very strange thing. Like I'm busy trying to deal with wastewater treatment and roads and electricity, and they're like, no, you're too interested in Bitcoin. We didn't sign up for that. So it's very strange. You could be creating positive change and still get a lot of negative feedback. And it's okay. It's okay. People learn at different paces. People get exposed to things at different paces. The psychology of change is it's fascinating. So, yeah, if you're feeling a little bit rejected, just think of me. I got terribly rejected. And then this happens, and I'm standing on stage in front of all of you guys, and I'm like, wow, I mean, something happened. We're still busy defining what exactly Bitcoin Witsand is, because really, Bitcoin is just money. Like, it's not life, it's just money. But it's also such a beautiful vision of what life could be. So, thank you, guys.
Awesome, awesome, Ellie, awesome. So just take note, Bitcoin can get you fired from your community activity if you